Hello, myself Professor Landge SS, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering. In this video, we are going to solve PS1 numerical. In this numerical, we are going to calculate capacitance and charging current of single core cable. A single core cable supply 3-phase 66 kV 50 Hz system. The details of cable are: length of cable 1 km, core diameter 10 cm, impregnated paper insulation thickness 7 cm, epsilon r 4. Calculate capacitance and charging current. So let us solve numerical. Now the given things are: the single core cable is supplying 66 kV 50 Hz system. Length of the cable is given, it is 1 km. Diameter of a cable is given. Diameter of core of a cable is given 10 cm. Thickness of insulation is given 7 cm. Epsilon r is given 4. We have to find out capacitance and charging currents. Now the equation for finding capacitance of a cable is given as epsilon r divided by 41.4 log capital D by small d. So it is epsilon r into 10 raised to minus 9, 41.4 log capital D by small d. So here with this formula or equation we can find out capacitance per meter length of a cable. If we have to find out capacitance for entire length of a cable, then we need to multiply this equation by total length of a cable. Now in this equation, epsilon r is the relative permittivity, capital D it is the diameter of a cable, and small d it is the diameter of core. Now diameter of core, that is small d, it is given. So it is 10 centimeter, or we can write it as 0.1 meter. Diameter of the cable is not given, but the thickness of insulation over this core of cable is given, and it is 7 centimeter. So if this is the cable, with this core inside this cable, then this diameter of a core, that is small d, it is given, and this thickness of the insulation over this cable is given. It is 7 centimeter on this side and 7 centimeter on this side. So the diameter of cable is calculated as diameter of core plus 2 into thickness of the insulation. So it is coming to be 24 centimeter, or we can write it as 0.24 meter. Now we can find capacitance C as epsilon r it is given. So it is 4 . into 10 raised to minus 9. The length of cable is given. It is 1 kilometer, or we can write it as 1000 meter divided by 41.4 into log diameter of the cable is 0.24 divided by diameter of the core is 0.1. So the capacitance of the cable is equal to, if we calculate this, then the capacitance of cable is equal to 0.254 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad, or we can write it as 0.254 microfarad. 0.254 microfarad. Next, we have to find out charging current. Now, charging current, we can find charging current by using formula IC is equal to V phase upon XC, that is a capacitive reactance. Now, capacitive reactance, it is given as 1 divided by 2 pi Fc. So, we can write formula for charging current as V phase into 2 pi Fc. Now, the given voltage is a line voltage. So, it is given to be 66 kV. So, the phase voltage V phase is VL divided by root 3. So, it is equal to 66 divided by root 3. So, it is coming to be 38.1 kV. Now, we can find charging current as 38.1 into 10 raised to 3 volts into 2 into pi into 50 hertz frequency into the capacitance is 0.254 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad, and the charging current is coming to be 3.04 ampere. So, in this way, for this numerical, we have calculated capacitance of a single core cable and the charging current. Thank you.